Good morning. 6 o'clock in the morning. Vitamin C every morning. Isang basong tubig with vitamin C every morning. Tapos bago matulog, nagka-magnesium ako. Magnesium. So, Sophia, pagising na, meron lang siyang like stretching 5 minutes. Preparing to school. Hannah is taking shower. At ako naman ay naghahanda din. Ito palagi ang araw-araw na ginagawa ko rito. Chine-check ko lang kung ano ang pwede kong gagawin para pag uwi ni Hannah at Sophia may pagkain sila. Okay. Ito yung maganda pag work at home ka. You help financially. You're able to help household chores. So, ganyan, di ba? Ganyan lang kami ni Hannah. Mas maganda yung setup namin dito sa Czech Republic. Kasi mas madali kasi nakakatulong ako sa gawaing bahay nang hindi pagod. Good morning, magandang umaga po. Sige na, batiin mo sila.
Magandang umaga po.
Magandang umaga. Did you pray?
Yeah.
One glass of water before eating. That's your tea. Breakfast. So is that your breakfast, baby?
Yeah, but I usually there's a bit of meat on it. I usually have like yogurt, but there's no more yogurt, and yogurt is expensive here. So I'm having a raw cake at the moment.
That's not usually her breakfast, right? Usually her breakfast is yogurt and what?
Just yogurt, and I add honey or agave syrup, and cocoa powder.
Chia seed?
Yeah, just
Yeah. But she always has bread to school for her break, like recess. And then today she has food at school. And after that, she has piano lesson today. When are you back to your swimming club? Because people asking.
I think next month, maybe.
Next month, are you able to go back to your swimming club next month?
But I think we have to ask the doctor first.
Yeah, okay. But you are completely healed now, right? Can we show them your feet? How it looks like now? You see?
My hair looks bad.
But it's completely healed, right? It's like a red, but there's no scars at all.
No, but if I bend too much, it hurts a tiny bit. It doesn't hurt like so badly. It's just like tiny.
Like stink a little bit, right?
Yeah, but it's very handleable.
It's like stingy.
Yeah, but
Huh?
you can handle it. It's
Like 1 to 5.
1.
All right.
No,
Okay.
not 1 to 5. 1 to 10 is 1.
All right. Okay. So they're preparing. Hannah's preparing to work. She's preparing to school. And I'm preparing to do the household chores. Ito palagi ako tuwing umaga pagising. Vitamin C. Pag naubusan ako ng vitamin C, 2 kutsarang lemon. Yan.
Actually, don't eat first. Yeah.
Okay. So you ready with your food for recess?
I'm just gonna take it. My watch.
You watch. So what time do you usually take recess?
There's a break every class.
Every subject there's a break.
Yeah, I love it here. Like that's the thing, because in England we only had 2 breaks.
Yeah.
But here we have a break every class. Like
for example, math. Yeah.
10 minutes. So first, this is my timetable. So I'll show you guys. Here, for example, Czech language. Then you have a break 10 minutes. Here, math 20 minutes.
Whoa.
Here 10 minutes.
Wow.
Here 10 minutes. And here is going home because you have school early.
Really, 10 minutes, 20 minutes,
Break.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
That's nice. Break every after subject.
Yeah, I mean, because on Friday you have you finish school earlier, but also here you have like lots of breaks. So 1, 2. So I have like 5 breaks.
But the only thing that I don't like here is they don't wear school uniform.
I love it that they don't wear school uniform.
No, you should wear school uniform so people know that you are in school.
I like non-uniform. Because like in England, if you had like non-uniform day, everyone went crazy with their outfit and everyone was excited. It felt amazing not to wear school uniform, but I have it like every day.
Okay. Sophia is so tall now. Look at her. Love you.
Dobre? Všechno? Máš peněženku?
Yeah.
Lamig, sobrang lamig. Take care, Pinkay.
Čau. Papa. Love you. Jo, uvidíme se potom, jo?
Gini kiss. Bye. Sobrang lamig. Malamig, medyo mahangin kasi. Okay, time to close the gate. Bye. Pasok tayo sa loob kasi sobrang lamig. Siguro mga -1 to. Tignan nyo, paligid. Ganda. Maliwalas ang panahon pero malamig. Pasok, pasok, pasok! Yan! Si Mamingka nagbe-breakfast. O, tingnan ko muna pala kung baka na yung kanyang dyaryo. Wala. Empty pa yung kanyang newspaper box. Yan. Ito yung trabaho ko rito pag ako lang ito naglalaba, sampay ng labahan. Ang hindi ko kayang gawin talaga yung mamlansya. So talagang si Hana naglalaan yan si Hana ng isang araw para mamlansya. Sabado yun, namamlansya yan siya ng Sabado. So pagkatapos mag general cleaning pag Saturday, mamlansya. I do try my best talaga na makakatulong sa mga gawaing bahay. Ito, sampay ng labahan. Pero yung linis, tapos na ako maglinis nung 2 days ago. Itong stairs kasi talagang sinaswipe ito ng 2 times a week. So, Sabado, tsaka Miyerkules. Ayan. Wala yung isa. Ito pala. Ito na. Tapos luto na naman. Para may hapunan na naman sila ni Hana at Sofia pagdating sa bahay. Ganun lang naman kasimple. Para at least pagdating ni Hana galing sa trabaho, relax na siya. At Sofia. Pagkatapos ito, doon ako sa computer. May ginagawa ko araw-araw sa computer. Ayun. Diba? Dito ako nagsasampay. Kasi malamig sa labas. Nagsasampay lang kami sa labas pag summer. Pero pag itong hindi summer, dito lahat sa loob. Pero madali lang itong matuyo. Mamayang gabi. Tutupiin na to. Tingnan nyo. Ganda ng panahon ngayon dito sa Czech Republic. Ayan. At ang castle, mula dito sa attic ni Hana, makita mo talaga yung castle. I-zoom in pa natin. Zoom in natin para ang layo na yan. Pakita mo. Ganda talaga ng camera. Yan. Kitang-kita mo yung castle mula rito. Yung normal na camera, ito. Oh, di ba? Parang telescope. Pero tingnan natin yung sobrang lapit niyan. Yan. Di ba? Mas may malapit pa dyan. Yan. Kitang-kita mo. Di ba? At saka yung church. Sumayin natin kunti yung church. Sa tabi niyan, church yan eh. Yan, church yan. Yan. Diba? Tapos yung upaba, oh. Grabe, no? Ang ganda ng kamera. Ayan, upaba yan. Para akong nakatelescope, ah. Ayan. Ang normal na camera niya, tingnan niyang layo. Oh, yeah! Okay. Sarado natin yung bintana kasi sobrang lamig. 2:00 ng hapon. Ang liwanag ng panahon. Masarap. May kalamigan. Pero okay. Sobrang tahimik dito. Sobrang ganda. Tapon si Chapit Boy ng compost. Para may magamit tayong abono ngayong pagtatanim. Tapos gagawin ko na ito. Huhugasan ko yun doon. Ito. Kang ubos ng tubig dito. Banlawan natin. Banlaw lang, banlaw. Balik. Yan. Okay. Balik sa taas. Nakapagluto na ako. Nakapaghugas na ng pinggan. Nakapagsampay na. Ay, ano ba ba? Kausap ni Mingka sa telepono yung pamangkin niya, pinsan ni Hana. Dito ko ito ilagay para yan, nakapaghugas ako ng pinggan. Hugas mo na ng kamay. Yan. So, kararating lang ni Hana ngayon dito sa bahay. At ako naman ay lalabas. Kasi, nakakuha ko ng Europe League ticket basketball, Czech Republic versus Netherlands ngayon. So tamang-tama ang oras kasi mag-start ang game ng alas 6 ng gabi. So kauwi lang ni Hana dito. So at darling, okay, come on baby, switch on the lights please. Yeah. So where are you going?
We're going to
Breda. What purpose?
I'm gonna have a look for some trousers.
Okay, but my purpose is I'm going to watch basketball by myself. It didn't have ticket.
Who they're playing, or were you playing against?
Czech Republic versus Netherlands. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So, tamang-tama nga, kauwi lang ni Hana galing sa work at ako'y aalis para manood ng basketball. Hindi sila makasama kasi masyado ng gabi matapos yun. May school sa Sophia bukas. May work si Hana. Kailangan niya rin magpahinga pagkatapos nilang mag-shopping sa Breda ng konting shopping lang naman. So, may bibili lang si Hana ng importanteng gamit sa Breda. So, idadaan ko sila sa Breda tapos ako tutuloy ako doon sa stadium. See you later, okay? Cold talaga, malamig. Kita nyo, jacket, tapos may sweatshirt pa ako. Sweatshirt sa loob at saka t-shirt. Kasi yung aking blue jacket, yung makapangyarihan ko na blue jacket, siyempre nilaban natin yon mula nung pumunta tayo sa England. Hindi ko muna sinuot kasi ito muna ito. Ganda ng panahon, di ba? Yan. At least may araw. Palubog na yung araw kasi pag alas 6 na rito ng gabi, wala nang madilim. Kaya okay.
You are our chauffeur.
Naging driver si Japit Boy.
We ladies going for shopping.
At least meron akong pastime dito na watching basketball here is not really expensive. It is cheap ticket. Yung Philippine basketball parang medyo mahal pa nga. Dito mura lang kasi alam nyo yung basketball dito hindi naman yung sikat na game na sports dito. Yung Taling, what's the famous sports here in Czech Republic? Hockey, right? Hockey and then football. Right?
Football, yeah, of course.
And then what next?
We are also good in tennis, famous, but
basketball.
Basketball, volleyball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But basketball, I see that a lot of people also watching, supporting basketball. Yeah? Alright, let's go.
No, it's cold, but not bad. Yeah, that's nice. The worst is when it's raining and the wind is blowing to your face. The rain is going to your face. Yeah.
Hana, she always wears her hat.
How come that you're from Philippines? It's from a hot country.
Yeah. Tatay strong, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so andito na ako. Andito na ako sa stadium ng Opava. Yan. Yan yung stadium nila, malapad dyan eh. At saka maganda rito, ang lapad ng car park nila. Hanggang doon yung car park nila sa likod. Ito. Yan, car park. Tapos, libre. Libre magparada rito. So, punta na tayo doon sa loob. Baka pwede nang pumasok kasi 1 hour before game, pwede nang pumasok. Maganda pumunta rito ng ganito, yung aga pa, yung 1 hour before game, nandito ka na para makapag-relax ka. Wow!
Martin.
Wow! Parang si Abarientos maglaro yung maliit from Netherlands. Czech Republic Opava 79, Netherlands Donald 62. Lamang yung Czech Republic against Netherlands 79-62. Yung maliit na block parang si RJ Abarientos maglaro. Ang galing. Yan o, ang galing. Ang galing yan. Siya yung nakahabol sa Czech Republic. Oh no! Tingnan nyo. Ang galing. Sobrang galing. Hayop ko maglaro. So kanina, tinambakan sila. Ngayon, pareha ng score, 80-80. High score. 3 minutes and 44 seconds left. Ang higpit ng laban. 83-83, 51 seconds left. Ayan na, patay na kay Barrientos. Patay na. Wow! Galing. Patay na. It's 45 seconds left. 45 seconds left. 83, 86. My goodness. 3 points lamang ng kalaban. 33 seconds. Tie! 86-86. Wow! Hawak niya Barrientos ang bola. Bibira na yan siya. 7 seconds. Patay. Ayun! Wow! 2 seconds. Ayan! Panalo! Oh! Galing, 88-86. Panalo. Wow. Wow, galing. Galing nun ah. Wala na, time na, di ba? 80. Wow! 88-86. Galing.
I'm asking both teams to the lineup and a free-throw line, and we will announce the MVP players from both teams. Thank you.
Wow. I-announce nila yung MVP sa both teams.
Prosíme také domácí hráče, aby se zařadili na čáře vlastních hodů.
Galing.
And the first, the MVP of Donald Groningen is player number 7, Tavian McMartin.
Yung maliit ang MVP.
MVP domácího týmu BK Opava je hráč s číslem 24 Jakub Šiřina.
Yan yung MVP sa Opava. Tsaka yung ang maglaro parang si RJ Barrientos. Ang galing. Wow.
Tohle jsou dva nejúspěšnější hráči dnešního utkání. My vám děkujeme za návštěvu, budeme se na vás moc těšit za 2 dny ve čtvrtek.
Ang galing ng laban, gabing dikitan laban. Talagang mapapasigaw ka sa ganda ng laban. Okay, uwi na si Japit Boy. Time to go home. Daming tao. Ganda. Ganda ng laban. Talagang sulit yung panood ko ngayon. So time to go home.